Alright class, I wanted to show you a couple things as you head into the weekend here to help you get really fired up about your research for your paper as you do your final push. Alright, so what I'm going to show you are two things. The first is how to find law review articles relating to your case. And what a law review article is a article written by students at law schools, and Supreme Court cases almost always get law review articles written about them. Okay, so I'm here at the Nimitz Library homepage. I'm going to click Electronics. And then I'm going to click ELF and go down to LexisNexis Academic. Alright, the easy search page comes up, but what I want to do instead is click Power Search over here on the left. Then on Select Source, I'm going to go to US Law Reviews and click that. Alright, and then I'm going to search by title under that, because if I were to search just for those terms, I would find every article where it's mentioned anywhere. Okay, let's just pick a case like Scott versus Harris. You'd obviously type yours in. Use the V dot here because that's the normal convention. Add to search. It appears up here. Then I click search here, and I got 7 law review articles here written about that case. All right, I can click Harvard Society for Law and Public Policy. Recent development, justice in the jury box, video evidence, and summary judgment in Scott versus Harris. All right. Nice article here, nice footnotes, which help you out. I'm going to click back, show you can click and see all those different articles. All right, so give that a try for your case, see what you can find. Okay. Citing one of these should be pretty easy. You've got all the information that you need here, including author. This is the publication, date. This is the name of the. This is basically the name of the journal. This is the name of the publisher, etc., etc. All right. The other thing I want to show you is that Google is indeed your friend. You can type in your case name right into the Google search box, and I want to show you what can happen. Okay, the entry that we're looking for is the one that's linked through Google Scholar, which is generally the Cornell one. As you can see right down here, you see this cited by 1180. I'm going to click that cited by 1180, and what this shows me is sorted by relevance, other cases and articles where my case has been cited. Alright, so I'm going to click here, Pearson versus Callahan, and it's going to open up the Supreme Court case Pearson versus Callahan, which was heard in 2009. I'm going to hit Control F on my keyboard to bring up the find box, and I'm going to type Scott. Alright, and what you see that appeared here is the case Scott versus Harris has been used in a precedence in this case. Alright, and you can read a little bit about it. Alright, it appears twice. Second time again down here. Alright, I'll go back to the main Google page, and we can do that for multiple ones. Morris versus Fregret, etc., etc., etc. Okay? The other thing you can do is you can type your case directly into Google Scholar. Alright, I didn't see it come up, so let's go find the actual citation for it, which is here. Scott versus Harris, 550 US 372, copy. I'll go back and type that in. And you can see everywhere it has been cited articles. This because I need to change this to legal opinions and journals. And there it is, Scott versus Harris. How cited? I can click that, and it gives me kind of a summary of some of the bigger citations in this case. Okay, I can also view it, brings it up here. All right, hope that answers some of your questions, and I'll see you in class. Thanks.